Richie. Bandit. Hold your horse, hold your horse, hold your horse. Hey, how's it going? Hey? How's it going, eh? Good? Oh, Richie come later. Richie come lately. You're happy to see me. Hey, happy to see you. Don't bully, you're a friend. Hey, you're a friend, you're not bully. Just talk to him, just then. I come here and bully him. Good horse, yeah, you're good horse. Okay, you're a good horse too. Alright. There's a Polly there. I haven't got Carrot with me today, but I will later on. Okay? Alright, you're a good boy. You're a good boy too. You're a good boy. Okay, yes, Polly come now. See, Polly. Hey, Polly come. So Polly gonna come or what? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let Polly come. See? Polly come. Polly good girl. Polly good girl. Hey, you good boy too. You good boy. You good horsey. You too, you good horsey. See, Polly come now. See? See? See, Polly come. Polly. Polly, good girl. Come on. Come on, come a bit closer. Come on. Come on, Polly. Come on. Come on. Alright, okay. Okay, you keep standing.